how to build a remote control car jump.
3.
So guys, this you don't need you don't have to follow all the instructions. You can like get wood and all that stuff, but if you don't have all this stuff, like you can make your own. So we're gonna need a razor blade, some gloves. Always put your gloves on when you're using a razor blade. Peekaboo. Hi guys. Alright, so this is some of the stuff. Duct tape. Hello. And then we're gonna need this big thing. That hurt. Okay. And now we're gonna need cardboard. Hey guys, you'll just need something that has like a slope, not flat like this, like a slope like this, and then you can put the cardboard over it. I should put my safety gloves on first. Still heavy. Guys, you need a razor blade. You should always put your safety gloves on. Take your other hand away while you're cutting. You push this down, put it out, cut. You should do that. So you hold it with one hand, and then you go over and look at the cardboard. Cut right down the middle. And now, something's wrong. I think I need to cut that again. I think it will come off. I don't know what's going on. Okay. You don't have to worry about the bottom part. So I have this thing, you can unfold it, and then right down the middle here. I think something's going on, I don't know what. I'm trying to cut through. Boom. So we have these pieces. Ow. That's hard. Alright, so ours wobbles a bit. Yours doesn't wobble, it's pretty fine, but it should be, you can make it out of wood. Widget. It doesn't wobble. Alright, so maybe we should take this thing. Now we need to like put it there in the car. We need my duct tape. So you would want to have your ramp like angled so the car would jump like better. Re-rip some tape. Okay. push it against there, take some more tape, do it on the other side. What happened? Alright. Alright, I'll just get some of these. So then we need to take this, do it like there, and there you go. Take another piece, and then you will tape it there. We have one more tape. So with the last piece of tape, you'll have this at an angle. Make sure that's at an angle. I'll do that a little bit. Alright, so you tape this part and tape it to the ramp so it doesn't move, and then you have that at an angle. So guys, we're worried about the car hitting this and then it like going like stopping and then going backwards. So I think duct tape. You should probably do this. And then put this like there. And then like it will do there. And that's good. And then you can take your other duct tape and do the same. Be like this. I need to go on a better angle. And there. And it's bended so then the car will go up.